Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever dreamed of a mascara that can deliver volume, length, and curl all at once while staying in place through a long day? Well, today we're diving into a mascara that promises just that. Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Platinum Voluminizing Mascara. A bold claim, right? Let's see if this mascara lives up to the hype. Tarte has created a mascara that promises extreme volume and length with every swipe, thanks to its bristle brush designed to stir up lashes. Whether you're heading to work, out for a night, or just enjoying your day, this mascara is marketed as long-wearing, smudge-proof, sweat-proof, and non-flaking. Plus, it's free from sodium lauryl sulfate, phthalates, and parabens, which is great news for those who prefer more mindful beauty choices. When I first tried the Lights Camera Lashes mascara, I was intrigued by its claims. The application was smooth, no clumping or flaking, which I sometimes struggle with when testing volumizing formulas. The brush is designed to grab each lash, coating it evenly from root to tip. And wow, did it deliver on the volume! My lashes instantly looked fuller and longer, and I noticed that the curl held up through the day. Real-world testing really showed me how well it works. I wore it through a busy day that included everything from running errands to a lunch meeting. By the end of the day, I still had full, curled lashes with no smudging or raccoon eyes, even in humid conditions. The formula definitely lives up to its sweat-proof and long-wearing claims. However, one thing to note, removing this mascara did require a gentle oil-based makeup remover. It's not the easiest to take off, but that's often the case with waterproof formulas. So let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara provides serious volume and length with minimal effort, and the brush does a great job of separating lashes for that wide-eyed look. It's also great for those who need a mascara that can stand up to sweat, humidity, or a long workday without budging. Plus, the formula is free from harsh chemicals, which adds peace of mind for those concerned about ingredients. On the flip side, if you're someone who prefers a more natural, subtle look, this mascara may not be for you. It delivers dramatic results, which is fantastic for many, but could feel a bit too heavy for those who like a lighter, more natural finish. Additionally, the removal process is a bit more involved compared to non-waterproof formulas. Now let's talk value for money. At a higher price point, Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Platinum certainly offers performance, but whether it's worth the splurge depends on your mascara needs. If you need a long-lasting, high-performance mascara that can withstand long days or weather conditions, it's a solid investment. But if you're just looking for something for quick daily use, there are other options out there that might be more budget-friendly. When compared to similar mascaras like Too Faced Better Than Sex or Benefit They're Real, the Lights Camera Lashes Mascara stands out for its clean ingredients and performance. It competes well in terms of volume and longevity, but the price tag might push some to look at alternatives that offer a similar effect at a slightly lower cost. In terms of build quality, Tarte has definitely put effort into the packaging. The sleek, sophisticated tube feels premium and functional, with the brush designed for maximum lash impact. As for longevity, this mascara holds up well throughout the day. But I'd recommend checking the expiration date and replacing it every few months to ensure optimal performance. As for customer support, I've had a positive experience with Tarte's service in the past. They're responsive, friendly, and helpful when addressing any concerns or issues, so you can feel confident purchasing from them. If you're looking for a more affordable alternative, Maybelline Lash Sensational or L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise could provide similar volume and curl at a fraction of the price, but they may not be as long-lasting as the Tarte option. To sum it up, Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Platinum Voluminizing Mascara is a solid choice for anyone looking for a bold, long-lasting mascara that delivers on volume, length, and curl. Its smudge-proof formula and clean ingredients make it an excellent option for those with sensitive eyes or who need their makeup to last all day. However, the price might not be justified for those looking for a more natural look or a mascara that's easier to remove. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching, and if you've tried this mascara, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Did it give you that volume you were looking for? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.